Hi, this is Mike from BlueRoadHome.com with a very specific tutorial on how to notate kicks over time in Sibelius. And this is for a very specific type of drum notation, mostly used in jazz. Say you're arranging a part for an ensemble or jazz piece, and you're making notations for a drummer, and you need to notate kicks over time for the drummer. This is how you can do it in Sibelius. So we'll just start by creating a blank document here in Sibelius. I'll get my instrument up, and under percussion and drums, you can just select drum set rock. Doesn't really matter. Or you could do percussion 5 lines. It's up to you. Go okay. We'll keep it 4/4 time, and we'll just go create. I'm not going to set up a tempo because it really doesn't matter for this purpose. So let me enlarge Sibelius here to fit the full screen. Now I have our drum set. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is set up our rhythm for the kicks over time. So to do that, we want to be in voice 1. We're going to start in voice 1. And then I'm just going to select note, put it up on top here, and then I'm going to maybe select an 8th note. Maybe we'll do a couple 8ths, then maybe we'll do an 8th rest, then maybe we will just add a 1/4 note there with an 8th note rest at the end. Okay, so there's our rhythm for the kicks over time. Okay, so now we actually need slashes below to denote the 4/4 time. So to do that, you're going to want to switch to your voice 2. All right, now you're going to take your 1/4 note here, and you're going to go, and we're just going to put 4 1/4 notes in, and oops, you just want to put it on the middle B line right there. Okay, and select these 4 notes here, and we need to change these to slashes. And to do that, it's very simple. You just go Shift Option 3. And that's all you have to do. Or it'd be Shift Alt 3 on a PC, but Shift Option 3 on a Mac. And there you have your slashes. And there you have your kicks over time. And then you can just copy this like normal, or you can go here and you can go to your repeat notations. And there you have it. Now, this isn't going to play anything back. You notice I'm going to play here, press play, but you're not going to hear anything. This is just for when you're notating for a drummer, an ensemble. You're just literally writing music as kind of a roadmap. So you won't hear the actual sounds because the drummer is going to be playing something down here under these 4 slashes at the drummer's discretion, but with the accents that I have just put up here. So that's drums with kicks over time notation in Sibelius. So I hope that helps, and if it does, leave a comment, leave a like. Please feel free to subscribe. Leave me comments or questions, because I always like to try to do things as best as possible. And if I missed anything here or confused you in any way, just let me know. I usually get back to everybody. So with that, keep enjoying making music and keep enjoying that creative process. And I will see you soon.